It's so get one music way beside the one play because of copyright. I not go fit play on, you know. I'm not go fit play on because of copyright. Hi, good morning, people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I came very early this morning because I'm going somewhere, and I just okay, let me quick do this short video because I know they get time again like that to do video where you have a newborn baby. It's so difficult. Everything about you is just all rush rushy all the time. So and before I continue with you, I want to talk. I want to pass this message to Lolo. I just want to say sorry to mommy OKH. I saw the video yesterday. I couldn't be able to watch that video. My heart was broken. My heart was broken. You know, the ultimate my heart. I was like, oh God, this man go last again. This man go last again. You know, it's such a hard time for her. I don't know when she can take it. I just pray that God should help her, because it's not easy to lose someone that's close to you, especially your own picking. It's not easy, my people. It's very sad, because I remember few years ago, I was in Nigeria at that time. I was still very young when my dad lost one of his sons. You know, it was very hard for the family that time. And I was very young. My dad was like, ew. That's the only thing that my dad was saying, ew. I'm coming, Dad. Okay. So you see? People, I'm coming now. I need to quick make this food, you see? I just say me I quick do more, because if not, I'm not if they come out again. Maybe just taking my full time. You see, this my job is more than 10 hours job. It's more than 10 hours job. If you guys can just give me a second just to make this food. Well, give it a second. Now I could make this food for my baby, She just wake up. I thought that I will still do this thing. I'm gonna say, no, this thing will cook me. UK, somebody is calling me. Please call back, oh. This I put. Okay, no, yeah, well. You see? You will say me quick do something quickly. The next thing, like, I wake up very early this morning. I'm going somewhere. We are going somewhere. That's why I get so quickly. Let me warm the food. I'll be back. Guys, give me just 2 minutes. Not just 2 minutes. 1 minute safe. 1 minute. So that day will help me to pass the food to her. You know, when you want to do something, you say, maybe they will cook you till talk. The time that time, because the food they want, me I quit as the food they want, the food they want. So as I was saying, my beautiful, lovely people, not only that time, my dad fit talk, ew, ew, ew. You know, I felt so bad. I was like, everybody was crying in that big house. It was not easy for the family. So you can imagine this woman, this lovely woman that have a very beautiful heart. You all know Mama OKH. She have a good heart. So, and you can't still lose picking where dog grow. Osayomori oya si one way or more of a woman. Or balance bosisi. The pain is strong past gone like boom. You guys should pray that none of us will lose our children in Jesus' name. Because it's not easy. That woman now, her body the hot for the. Her body is the hot like fire. Those shots we shot yesterday. You don't see people dead there, they pin and down. She forget herself that yesterday. May God not let us lose what we love pass. Because that is why sometimes this life, nobody knows tomorrow. Although ya bitan well, if person never die, not to say in the bone. Because anything can happen. There's somebody in Norway. One day, he lost 3 of his children. One day, 3 of his children. It happened in Norway. Now trailer, now go eat the car. We be say that they drive for motorway. Trailer and the 3 of the children just they inside the same car. And the trailer wiped all the family. The person never die. Later when you bear, that's why in life you now be very careful how you mock people with children. Because nobody knows tomorrow. It's not our portion, but we are praying to make such thing not happen to us. You can imagine Mama OKH, I beg. Let me pass this milk to baby. The dance there, I'll be back. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry for keeping you. Okay. So as I was saying, sorry guys, I'm not vessel. I'm not big. So as I was saying, the person never die, not tossing the bone. That's why be very careful how you mock people. So that thing happen for Norway. Another one see happen in Nigeria. This woman, if you see picky with the bone and a bone, you think say, nah, her grandchildren. It happened during Christmas period. Husband, 4 children, they died the same day. Motor accident. That kind of woman who die, maybe it go better pass her. That kind of woman will lose 4 children and the husband. Thank God say, I would say mommy, okay age, good morning, my lovers. Mommy Polly, good morning. Sophia, good morning. Thank God say mommy, okay age. I would say na person prefer more people now with children. They say okay. They get now, so picking don't die. Be very careful. Be very careful. Mommy, okay age. I'm sorry, ma. No amount of words people go use for you now. It be like say they talk like all the things they enter your back of your ear. No amount of sorry. Oh, I beg, take a miss you, no amount. So you can imagine, you say only son, and first pikin. Now he die for this woman. The boy never born. God, rest in peace, my brother. May also rest in peace. Nobody knows how it happened. Sorry, mommy. Okay. My second one goes to Lolo, my beautiful sister. I saw the video where we say that the bully Lolo's son. You show where they go. I shake my head for the all those chief for bullying. It's going to be a very short video. You see, for this life, many people where they bully people or where they mock people, they are the worst. They are the worst mother. They are the worst father. One thing I love about Lolo. Hi, pretty. How you doing? Good morning. One thing I love about Lolo. Yeah, she's fine. The country where she did that time, they know they speak English like that, Abi. No that land, Abi. But all her children was speaking good English. She made sure say her old children they speak better one. Because I don't hear them. I don't hear them. Or I don't hear if they speak to her old children. Or if her children they talk to her. They know they speak 9. They don't speak 9. They speak very good one. Very good one for that matter. Yes. I don't see them for live video. Should they do live video? Should they talk to David, the last one where they call Organa Master. That little boy at that time, that age, he was speaking good English. Talk to him now, we just complete 7 years. This woman took her son to the show, comedian show. You all know as comedian people be. If they enter you, they go from front, enter you, enter back. Go and look at Wismart. You guys know Wismart, innit? You guys know Wismart. That Wismart where they had American movie and all. Wismart, if he slap one comedian. Oyibo, thank God say na black. Oh. I wish say na white person. Now Wismart go slap. This one will be the talk so. You for don't escalate so to different level. Don't say black man don't slap white comedian. But the white comedian where he slap Chris, now see black America. What it happen now? Joke. Now the man use his wife take joke because his wife get so this kind of disease. What we say some people get if they comot the hair, okay? If they make they know they get hair. So we smart wife won't get hair. So if they shave her hair like Abolo. So the comedian use and take make joke. Like ordinary joke. Good morning, Pretty Bella. Ordinary joke. Wismart. See as that crowd be. Many thousands of people. Because now every year that they want to give award to the best winner of movie or whatsoever. Will Smart was angry. He just walked to that guy. The kind of slap we give him, oh, was that? You know, even use the word have. Don't ever for any, you know, make such joke with my wife. And so comedian be. You're like that. So they ask questions, they're going to tease your head, tease your mouth, tease everything. Even the one where you go wear safe for clothes where you go wear, you go find, they go just tease and say, that clothes now, one kind cheap one. You're like that. This little boy, Lolo's son, is a very smart boy. Yes. It's a very smart boy. I had to give his mom a good credit for that. It's a very smart boy. In Mama Karen go show. The comedian guy saw that little boy. He called him on stage. How many some pikin fit stand for stage? There are some children, they do munye. We are me out as they can't be sharp, they can't be smart to speak. Good morning, and this work, I agree to you, man. They can't be smart or, you know, to speak. This little boy was smart. They're asking a question, where are you from? It's a very simple question and a straightforward question. And that little boy gave her a straight answer. Ija, where are you from? That little boy, Lolo Pikin, gave her a very straight answer. I am from Netherlands. Where are you from? That be the question we ask him. I am from Netherlands. That is the correct question. I mean, correct answer. You see? And again, the comedian not stop for there. Because when I small pikin, but he just want to joke with her. Because now so they be. Now their job to joke with anything we know, you know. And he go again. Where your parents from or whatsoever. That little boy no know. This message not only for Lolo, it's for all mothers. It's for all mothers. You know, say Lolo pick that question where they ask so. A lot of mother was eye opener for that question. Many people where they comment rubbish, they insult Lolo. Many of them, children, cannot even speak. Yeah, now where are you for? Nyake Guansef, Edemune, or Yemwe, or they can even stand on stage to even answer such question. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. So, you know, and they also say, where is your mom for? Or where Nigeria? Exactly. Where is your working? Or where, you know, like, if they have me now, where am I from? I will say I'm from Nigeria. Or Tindo can ask me, which tribe are you in Nigeria? Before I will say I'm from Benin. So the little boy will not say in Mama na Nigeria. Maybe you don't know exactly the tribe where in Mama come from. Don't forget, say this little boy is not born in Nigeria. He was born in abroad. They behave like Oyibo. Take it or leave it. You understand? So that little boy answer was very straightforward. Where are you from? I'm from Netherlands. Because now there for comfort. Now there he was, you know, he was born and brought up. If he have the passport. Excuse me. I don't understand some people. Some chief of bullying. Bullying children, small picking. Where their head go to high school now tomorrow. Children will be saying never know anything about social media. Children will never know now. Children will don't even know what their mom or their parents are doing on social media, and you guys will carry and they bully them. It's very bad. Wakirewo. This question, where are you from or where your parents come from? Nigeria. Many parents will get picking. They not tell their children where they come from Nigeria. Many children where they are abroad, they don't know the tribe their mother come from Nigeria. So this question it goes to all parents. When you watch that video, maybe from there, They will not lecture their own children. They will not tell their children that in case if they ask you where your mama come from, you say Nigeria. But if they come over, ask you again, which tribe? Say Abibinio or Ishao or Igbo or Yoruba. You see and so? You see and so say Lolo Pikin, if you can give some parents eye opener to teach their own children where they come from. Sometimes wagami wanta why? Why? Good morning, blessing. Why we say some people they will say truth, to say the truth because of hatred. Una go dey use hatred when I get for people to they judge people. Why? You are right, man. Boys don't know. Okay, I started teaching them since I watched that lot of video. Thank you. Many parents, please, guys, when I put love and like, guys, if you guys should like this video so that this video can be promoted, please. Please. So, you understand? So many parents, now thumbs up, guys. So many parents now, they watch that video. From there now, they will teach their children. Even me, myself, including me, I also do the same. I got nowhere. They can even carry Nigeria. We are in Nigeria. Say Benin City. Exactly. Many parents now. But the same people, they cast on Lolo. The same people, they put back comment to say, useless woman, say as you be, long months, long breast, me, do, but una don't pick lesson for there. Una don't learn for there. Una don't pick one or two things for that little boy. Hello? Excuse me. Guys, stop bullying people's children. Stop bullying people's children. It's not good. Hey, Mommy Isa, good morning, my love. She's fine, no. Princess is fine, man. You know, stop bullying people's children. It's not good. I'm not fatty. No, mocha. Oh, that Pikisa she be. She's too big, oh. She fat. Let me tell you, see on this saga. Saga not they pay, oh. Saga not they pay. You know, I don't do saga anymore. Saga not they pay. If you better that you have few viewers or they do comedy. You see the other day, I watched a Eddie Murphy video and it's okay. Oh, let me say Eddie Murphy go speak English. So the my interpreter will be me. That day, only me want they laugh like mad woman. Only me want they laugh like mad woman. That is the kind of video I love watching. I don't watch it and I will. I don't watch social those rubbish video. They lie about. I love you. While I watch it, while I get or when I tell me, you pick one or two things out of what type of thing they talk. Such videos, even better say if a party they do, the 5 people say saga must continue, saga kill saga. The one way if you do that, the way and where I do. That one alone, that video go viral. Go see comments where I see follows the blogger. No even insult. So some people say, hey, this man, this woman, oh, hey, 5 and 6. So see, those comments were so beautiful. Then you come and say, Ogon Bera, Ogon Biju, or they bully children. At the end, people will insult you with comments. Now they go mock people say, you not feel born. What till they not feel give? They'll say they'll feel give. What did they not fit take? They'll say they'll fit take. Now they'll constantly bully children where we say they don't know anything about social media. Now they go do many things. So a lot of parents where they this abroad, their children self never know exactly where they come from. And if they saw that video, they will come to educate their own children. They'll come to educate their own children for that particular question when they ask that little boy. Many of these people will be say if they mock or they bully those boy, their children not speak good English. Nine, they be speak for inside house. Nine. But lot of children, we dey another country, na ya zebo, nyawa zebo, ba. But now they don't come UK now. You can imagine say how the English will come even increase again. Yeah? You can see increase again. So, my dear Lolo, that part, now I take give you credit. I admire that part where you teach your children English, the country where you fed day. If you don't know today me they tell you say now that thing, that part, now me take admire you. Say your children they speak good English more than the people where they monk that pikin say get no hey gwa o my o no more no more. If you can remember, I do one video where I upload yesterday about this Zimbabwe woman, Tataricious, wherever we get HIV. You see this life now, karma not they take gay before it eat some people door. Karma not they take gay. Karma is very real. Now this earth na fire day. Now this earth na heaven day. This woman that time where they intimidate Nigeria boys, other Africa young guys where your new enter Sweden, we say they don't get documents, they don't get house. This woman was intimidated them with their passport, with his own mansion. You say this is my mansion. Now remember when you say you even sleep with Kevin sleep with her because of what? The guy your new enter Sweden, the guy no get documents. The guy no get place to stay. But today, we go to punish the same woman. Is now homeless. Person where they claim say, this is my mansion. This is my mansion. This is my mansion. Today, this woman is now, or this man is now homeless. After all, it due to young guys. So they even made them to sleep and they fuck out with Nyash and all woman will get HIV. Kevin don't even know that time. Kevin was a very new. Kevin was a very new person for the country. You see, our karma take knock on this woman door. Our karma take knock. I've been a man or woman because I'm a man before he can't turn himself to a woman. See, our karma quick take knock. Oh. My mom, they call me. I'll call number. Our karma till they knock on that woman door right now. You see, and so that is why this karma they could eat people now. Oh, this one. Actually, we're back. Oh, yeah. You know, our karma take quick knock on this woman door. So that is why for this life, be very careful. Be very careful how you treat people, how you lie against people, how you bully innocent children. It may come back to you. It may not be today. It may be tomorrow. It may be next tomorrow. It may be the other day. Be very, very careful. So, my sister Lolo, anything where they talk about that your boy, trust me, that boy is so smart. Yes, he's a very smart boy because not smart. So by your own, picking way smart. Now once you will say no, picking way no shy. When the caller come stage, that picking was so bold enough to go and stand on that stage. They ask her question. They ask her one. In order to do like this, say yeah, you wear or you say waiting or. Once, oh, they call my mom phone. Yeah, see way back. You understand? So the pikin no fair, crack his brain before he answer the question straight away. But after where he never no talk about yes, because now pikin is smart. Now pikin is smart. Pikin way is smart now, so it's supposed to be they answer a question. So my people, I don't have much to say. I mean, I feel so my mom call. I don't get much to say because many things what they do for this social media, they'll say able day, and at the end, the rewards they come back to them. I when so you may open your mouth to say rubbish about people, or to lie against people, or to say all sorts of nonsense about someone. You know what I understand about this Edo Saba? Jealousy, they kill many of them. They know say this person better pass them. They want to talk about that person. If you guys feel they observe, because me I they observe something. Who not better pass them? If that person they call their name, or who they better pass? If they call their name, they know the answer. But you will sit down, they know say you better pass them. Now your name they're going to put for topic. Message to Jennifer. Message to Lolo. Message to Rita. Message to Rita. Lolo. Jennifer, because they know say these people are more better than them. Take it or leave it. Like me, I don't brag. I don't brag. So that's why I don't, if you like say they mention my name, I will not respond. I cannot be responding to someone that not even up to my level. That means I'm a fool. If I can't respond to you, that means I don't get sense. That means I'm not gonna put myself so low, like to put myself so low, like low. And many of these people where they do all these things, now lack of say they don't get job. If they have a job, oh yeah. What did happen? You have to where they be now. These people they call me like this. If I don't pin, they call. Yati way back. So you see, if I don't forget one. Mom, they call me, my brother, they call me. They call me at the same time. So if they know say you better pass them, good morning everyone. If they know say you better pass them, they want to be calling you, calling your name, mentioning your name all the time, so that if you can't answer them, they'll come happy. The best answer to give to your haters is to ignore them. That ignorance, they kill them to the bone marrow. Oh, you see, as Rita ignore some people, he kill them, reach their bone marrow. If they made them the colo, they die because Rita not answer them. Like somebody like me, EJ, I don't answer now. I don't do saga. No, I don't do saga. It's not because I'm afraid. No, I don't do saga. No, I don't do saga. You know, so and I don't feed on social media. Money talk. Let's say if I no get viewers, oh say I no go see food eat. No, I don't do that. You understand? But if you called my name, I will not respond to you because even though me I can't stay myself. I don't want to stay myself. I wanna do compare banner work rigoro umigoro la dia. Ume have license. Ume better car. Ume better house. I know once. Why if now somebody will sit in my level now or go and feel respond or person will see better pass me or go and go and respond. Any the mass will be say when the government is feeding, who do I tell you? I want to answer you. Am I crazy? No, nah. So naive. So my beautiful people, please. Now when they put comments, they install that little boy. When I not forget or remember, soon I see get children. When I see get children, because all these commenters or all these fake accounts where they insult people or they insult people children, they go forget say they get children, and they also forget say God knows say who they behind these fake accounts where they tap nonsense. That's why many of the things they happen to them tomorrow. They'll say, now, wish. Not be wish. Now, what you use one take cause? Now, social media, when we say you take the insult people, children, people, parents, people, husband, or wife, or whatsoever. Naim. Yes. Naim. So, that is it for this life. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Now, this life, now you fire day. Now this life where we dey so, now you every day. Yes. This life where we dey so, now you fire day. And now every day we must receive our reward. Bible says the wicked shall not go unpunished. And whatsoever man sow, so shall he reap. If you sow good, you go reap good. If you sow bad, you go reap bad. Anything where you sow for this life, you must reap. Up the cake. Go and look at some people's lives. Go and look at some people's lives. When we say they don't fair mock people, they don't call people names, they don't do evil to other people. Go look at their life today. Oh, fine. Justice, like fine. It's a classic Lolo. We are fine. Go look their life today. Their life no better. So, now so. My lovers, me I leave you now. Me I call back. Me I call my brother, my mom, will they call me. If not, they will they worry, say, what's soon? What did they happen? They call me, I'm not the pick. So, now here my people. So, Lolo. Oh my joy, good morning. Lolo. My sister, Ibovu, all of you. See my sweet. Just do like this. Ibovu. Many of them, their children, don't they speak good English. If the children go event to, they know kind of children go such event. Talk, let's say the children will come out for stage. When they answer question, in one day, I beg. Talk to say the children will even speak in good English in one day. My sister Ibovu. I mean Ibovu, all of you and jealousy. Not even answer people like that. And anyway, I trust it because I know say sometimes you they select people where they answer. You they select people where they make sure in it. So that is the only one thing I still love about you. Plus, one way I admire you for, right from time, now be your children where you teach how to speak English. I don't hear the English for live video. If they do your live video, in another water, water, I don't hear them. So only a big deal. Plus, you they select people where they answer. Or let's say once in a blue moon, if you want to give them that injection, no Kenya, where I fear me. Okay, I tell you, long breasts, long breasts. Then just ignore. And again, also Rita, your marriage, sweet things. Now you go to enjoy. As don't go marry finish. I beg. As in a motor, put deaf ear. When they do your topic, they do your call. All this bo ba if they crazy the man just forget all those things. All those ones sometimes not good. New day if I say make a do, I go for the do. I don't want to do saga. One, I come from a very good family, Yes. And two, people my mom, my family, everybody they say don't ever First you want to do saga, you come on for social media where the social media not will let you come on. It's not okay. So they do your small things now, cook yourself. Just they do. So I don't saga. No, sometimes it's not saying they do saga, you get viewers. Doing saga, you they condemn your name. Doing saga, you they make people look you say you not come for a very good home. Lord, don't talk to three commenters and presenter anymore. So you don't know the exactly. Yes, you are right, my darling. You are right. Buffy, how are you, my sweetheart? How are my children? Baby, it's fine, no. Queen, I greet you. Iminosa, I greet you. Now thumbs up, guys, before I go. Thumbs up. We go somewhere this morning. Hey, I get an appointment this morning. When I give me thumbs up before we go, man. So now, so don't respond though, like me now. Hey. Me will be. I better go. Who get time for rubbish? Who get time for those nonsense? When they respond to people, maybe anybody will just call your name now. You go just jump at. No, you don't do that. Don't do that, man. You see, baby. Okay, I will. Kiss baby for me. I will. Don't do that. I better don't be stupid. I better don't be silly. I better, yeah. I better don't be stupid now. I'm on envy, but no one come for better family. Eh, a family already have a live video. If not be say evil sister we can't do any year. I for not come out for live they call it saga now. Now that one mush by herself now. You are looking beautiful with your hair. How's your baby doing? Baby, it's fine. Baby, it's fine. Fine. Thank you, my sister. My hair, not this kind of hair I've had it do before. Don't mind them. Oh, yeah, my love. Yeah. So that's why we don't do all those things anymore. You see. So my lovers, thank you. Please support, like this page, follow this page. Please share my video. Please always share me out, and also follow me on my YouTube channel, Jennifer Cody TV Talk Show. You know, so I do a lot of things here. Okay, please share this video, like, and follow this page. Okay, so my lovers for YouTube, if you do subscribe to my YouTube, always turn on the bell. Okay, whenever I do live, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay, thank you, my YouTube family, for supporting me, being here, and God bless you. And all my beautiful lovers all over the world, I say thank you. Thank you very much for your support, for your prayer. You guys are beautiful. You guys are wonderful people. You guys always pray for me. Always. In fact, thank you and God bless you. So, my lovers, me I can leave you now. I don't pass my message to Lola. And I also pass my message to some evil commenters. Some fake accounts where they bully children. Keep on doing it. The day of the judgment is coming. So that day, the thing will knock on a door. Hey. Just the way you do to Patalusos, whatever, with this soothing. Thank you, Facebook family. God bless you. See you guys again. One love. Bye-bye.